Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail mail merge feature with Google Spreadsheet. Mail merge is a useful feature that you can send the automated email to your customer. That you can include the customized message for each customer. For example, if you are running online store, then you can send the offer code to provide the discount amount to all customers. You can also send the different coupon code with different amount of different customers. This Gmail mail merge feature helps to send the customized email process automatically by using a Google Spreadsheet. Let's learn how you can set up this. First, you need to open the Gmail account. Then we have to open the developer.google.com. Then go to the create a mail merge using Gmail and Google Spreadsheet page. This link we are provided in the description section. You can click on the link to open this page. After open this page, you have to come down. Here you have to click on the link of Gmail Sheets mail merge spreadsheet. Then you have to click on the make a copy button. This will be open the spreadsheet template. This is a customized spreadsheet template based on the Google script. You don't want to write any script. You can just use this template to send the customized email to your customer. So you have to include your customer information here. In the description section, you can enter the offer information. Then you have to enter the discount code. You can enter the discount amount. Then the email sent option will be empty. After send the email, this will be notify the send status. So we have to enter the other customer. You can also include the all customer information here one by one. Then you have to go to your Gmail account. Then open the new message. Then you have to enter the offer information. I already prepared the offer information. First you have to enter the subject. In the subject section, we have to add the description for the offer information. So you have to copy the description header. Then you have to paste here inside of the double curly brace. This means the offer information automatically replace here. Then you have to enter the first name inside of the double curly brace. Then enter the offer informations, discount code and the discount amount. If all the information said, then you have to make it a draft this email. Then go to spreadsheet. Once set everything, you have to click on the mail merge. Then you have to click on the send email. This will be ask the authorization required. You have to click on the continue. Then it will be ask the authentication for login to your Gmail account. You have to click on the email ID. Then you have to click on the advanced. Here you have to click on the Google Spreadsheet mail merge. So you have to allow the script to run the email automatically. So you have to click on the allow. I made the wrongly added the email here, so I have to add the techthaval. admin@techthaval.com is the correct email. Now I will send again the email, send email. Here you have to copy and paste the email subject what you prepared already. Then paste the subject line. Then you have to click OK. Now the email has been sent. Now I am going to check these two emails, admin@techthaval.com and mail@jganesh.com. So I will open the email. The email has been received. I am opening this email. We can check here the gadget lists Black Friday offer. In the template, it will be show the description inside of the double curly brace, but it automatically replace the offer information. You can also check the name, first name and the offer information and the offer code and the offer amount. Everything has been replaced here. The another email I will check mail@jganesh.com, then go to inbox. Well, it's also received. So you can check here the customized offer description, name, offer code and the amount. Everything has been perfectly set here. In this way, you can use the mail merge option in your Gmail account by using Google Spreadsheet template. Please be note, in the Gmail free version, they have some limitation to send the emails count. That information link we have provided in the description section. Please check before you send the email. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.